Okay, so today we're gonna clean rims on my Tesla Model X. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. A lot of brake dust and I guess debris from the road. So we're gonna, clean it. And for that, we're gonna use this product, Simmons, whatever the hell that is. And you're just gonna just start spraying this after you unlock the nozzle like that. Once that's done, then so it start off as green, and as you progress, it will turn pink, and it smells horrible actually. And you wanna just don't spray too hard because it's gonna go in your body. The what do you call it, liquid. So I'm gonna just start spraying all over the place, and once you have a good amount, then what you can do is take a brush, the one you use to brush your teeth, and just start rubbing away. So I'm gonna rub the hell out of this thing until everything is out. Alright, so once all the brushing and scrubbing is over, then we're just going to take a hose and hose it away. And as you can see, it has got like turned purple, and it's telling us that it's working, I guess. So I'm just going to take nice spray, and as you can see, it's doing a pretty nice job actually. Yeah, sure, I missed some spots here and maybe there, so I'll rub those again, and let's see. Okay, so it's clean now, and it's the before picture, and you can see the after. There's a day and night difference. Now the inside of course is dirty, but honestly the only way to get to that is when you take the tire out and do it at that time. Maybe when I'm changing to winter tires, then I can do it at that time, but much better than before. So I'm just gonna get down to the other tires.